Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. We're at the rim of this volcano at the top of San Salvador.
Can you see what it is?
Yeah, it's a casa.
Is it?
And so all of us were looking in at this.
Like a shack.
And there is a house actually down here. You can look and see I'm zoomed in all the way. That's a house. That's a casa.
Yeah.
Right in the.
But what a place to be, huh?
Right in the middle of a volcano, man.
Hey, but you know what? He doesn't pay rent, no taxes, no nothing, and he lives off the motherland, you know?
Yeah, that's really crazy.
It's una champa, yeah. Una champa.
I'll see. Yeah, zoomed in, you can see.
Mira.
See that?
¿Cómo? ¿Qué lugar?
Yeah.
¿Cómo llegar ahí, pues?
It's a casa.
¿Cuál es lo máximo?
Esa.
Ahí está, esa.
Ese es lo máximo.
In the middle of the volcano.
Yeah, no. Pero look, what a view in the morning when you
No,
wake
pero
up,
es 18 bis.
coffee.
El bis.
I mean, shit. Imagínate en la mañana cuando
Totally unbelievable. The most remote house I've ever seen.
Enojado, y él mira.
We all can't believe it. Totally
Respirando
crazy.
aire puro y todo.
That just shows you the determination and the fighting spirit of the Salvadoran people.
There you go.
It cannot be beat.
Tell everybody.
And they will continue to show that until they're on the global stage.
Yeah.
What are you from?